Welcome to the presentation on time management in construction projects. This is Week 3, Introduction and Course Context for the Project Management course. This module is part of the Project Management course and focuses on equipping students with skills to manage construction projects effectively. This week's topic, time management, builds on the concepts from Week 1 and Week 2, focusing on scheduling and controlling project timelines. Effective time management is crucial for quantity surveyors to ensure projects meet deadlines and optimize resources. This week's learning objectives include understanding the objectives and importance of time management in construction projects. The session includes a 2-hour lecture, a 2-hour tutorial with group discussions, and a quiz to assess understanding. Now, let's open the floor for questions or a brief summary of this week's introduction. Welcome to our presentation on the objectives of time management in construction projects. Time management in project management involves planning, scheduling, and controlling activities. The goal is to ensure timely project completion. The primary objectives of time management include meeting deadlines, optimizing resources, reducing delays, enhancing coordination, and supporting cost control. In a bridge construction project, time management ensures that concrete pouring and steel erection are sequenced correctly to prevent delays, achieving a timely completion. Effective time management enhances project efficiency and client satisfaction, which is critical for quantity surveyors. Let's open the floor for questions and a brief discussion on how these objectives apply to real-world scenarios. Welcome to our presentation on the importance of time management in construction projects. Time management is essential in construction due to the industry's complexity and tight schedules. Delays increase labor and equipment costs. For instance, a 1-month delay in a high-rise project can add 5% to the budget. Most contracts include penalties for late completion, impacting profitability. Timely delivery enhances client trust and boosts project reputation. Proper scheduling prevents overstaffing and equipment downtime, optimizing resources. Proactive time management identifies risks like weather delays early on, allowing for better planning. The Berlin Brandenburg Airport project was delayed from 2011 to 2020 due to poor time management. These delays led to €7 billion in cost overruns, highlighting the financial impact of poor time management. Effective time management is vital. It goes beyond meeting deadlines to financial viability and reputation. Let's open the floor for questions and discuss how these principles apply to real-world scenarios. Welcome to our presentation on techniques of time management, where we will explore structured approaches that enhance project timelines. Effective time management relies on structured techniques to plan and monitor project progress, ensuring success. The work breakdown structure, or WBS, divides the project into smaller, manageable tasks such as site preparation and foundation work. The critical path method helps identify the longest sequence of dependent tasks, optimizing project duration effectively. Scheduling involves creating detailed timelines using milestones and task durations, crucial for any project. Prioritization involves focusing on high-impact tasks to avoid bottlenecks, like ensuring foundation work is completed before superstructure. Monitoring and control ensure regular tracking of progress and adjusting schedules as needed to maintain project flow. In a residential complex project, utilizing CPM allows us to ensure that foundation work is completed before framing, preventing delays. These structured techniques are essential for effective time management, keeping projects on track for project managers and quantity surveyors. Let's open the floor for questions and discussion on how these principles can be applied in real-world scenarios. Welcome to our presentation on tools of time management. Today, we'll explore how these tools can improve project management. Let's start by discussing the purpose of time management tools. Several tools assist in implementing time management techniques effectively. Our first tool is the Gantt chart. These are visual timelines showing task durations and dependencies used in software like Microsoft Project and Primavera. For instance, a Gantt chart for a school renovation project can illustrate stages such as site clearance, foundation work, and roofing. Next, we have the PERT chart, which is used to analyze task sequences and estimate durations for improved planning. Now, let's discuss various software tools such as Microsoft Project, Primavera P6, and Trello for task tracking and collaboration. Additionally, tools like calendars, dashboards, and time tracking applications such as Toggle help monitor daily schedules and task efficiency. To summarize, these tools are essential for effectively implementing time management techniques in construction, keeping projects on track and within budget. Now, let's open the floor for questions and discussions on how these tools can be applied in your future roles as quantity surveyors. Welcome to the presentation on the role of the quantity surveyor in time management, integrating cost and schedule for project success. Quantity surveyors contribute to effective time management in several key ways. A critical role of the QS is ensuring that project schedules align with budgets, as any delays can increase costs. The QS advises on labor and material schedules to prevent shortages and maintain workflow. Tracking task completion is essential for updating cost forecasts and ensuring projects stay on track. A QS ensures that project schedules meet contractual deadlines, avoiding penalties and maintaining project integrity. For example, a QS uses Gantt charts to monitor concrete delivery schedules, ensuring timely supply and preventing costly delays. In summary, the quantity surveyor's role is crucial in bridging the gap between time and cost, ensuring project timelines are financially sound. Let's open the floor for questions and discussions about how the approach of a quantity surveyor in time management impacts project profitability and success. Welcome to this presentation on examples from construction scenarios where we will explore the application of time management techniques. Let's begin with our primary example, a 5-story commercial building project. The project has clear objectives and significant importance. Completing within 15 months is crucial to avoid financial penalties. Applying effective project management techniques like WBS and CPM allows us to break down tasks and identify critical paths. In our project, we utilize tools such as Gantt charts to monitor progress and ensure timely foundation completion. The quantity surveyor plays a crucial role in monitoring deliveries to maintain project alignment with schedules. Now, let's look at a global example, the Hong Kong-Zhuhai-Macau Bridge project, which utilized advanced time management tools. In conclusion, we see how combining tools and techniques, alongside skilled professionals, drives successful project completion. Now it's time for questions and discussion. Let's connect these examples with your experiences in the construction industry.